Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make a modern, simple, compact tiny house. First of all, we have to make the rotated rectangle, and we can make the uh, rotated rectangle with the dimension around 2.6 meter and drag to the another side around 6 meter and enter. Then we can give a thickness with a push pull around 300 millimeter. Then we can double click and make group. Okay, then we can draw the rectangle in here. Okay, then we can push it up around 3.5 meter, enter. Okay, and then we can click this position. We can use the line, and we can click this line and select move it down in here. Then we can draw the rectangle in here. Can draw with the height around 2.4 meter. Okay, around 2.4 meter. Okay, then we can draw the another window. Maybe we can use the large window over there. We can draw the window. Okay, so this is for the basic shape, and we can draw the another window in here. Okay, then we can click this outline, offset it inside just a little bit. Okay, and also we can offset it inside. Okay, we can offset. Okay, so this is about the basics for the exterior. Okay, maybe I will move it just a little bit. Okay, then we can draw the rectangle. Sorry, we can assign the materials with the dark materials in here for the window frame in here. Okay, we can use the window frame. Okay, then we can draw about the glazing in here. Okay, then we can also draw the roofing in here with the basic roofing in here. Then we can also draw the exterior cladding like this. Okay, and then we can adjust about the materials. Okay, we can adjust about the saturation like this. Okay, and we can triple click, make group, can triple click again and delete this one. Okay, now we can adjust about the field of view. Okay, we can adjust about the field of view. We have to explore for the indoor, and I already prepared about the texture, about the external texture in my library in this wood materials, because I like this wood materials because it's good for interior materials like this. Okay, so you can see from the outside like this, and we can assign about the dark material for the door leaf, window frame, and door frame over there with a dark frame in here also. And okay, now we can draw about the bathroom. You can click this line and select move, type control, place to this position. Okay, then we can use the tile, and we can select this one, and we can adjust about the brightness. Okay, then now we can assign the materials for the flooring. Okay, so this is good for flooring, and now we can assign about the saturation. Okay, and now we can draw the rectangle in here and until this position. Then we can draw the door. We can draw the door like this around 800 millimeter for the height, and for the height it's around 2 meter, and for the width is around 800. So we can offset the inside for the frame like this. Okay, then we can assign about the materials. Okay, so this is for the exterior materials. Okay, and this is for the frame materials. Okay, then we can triple click and make group. Okay, now we can draw. Okay, we can triple click on the object. Okay, we can draw the line over there, and we can draw the line in here and draw the line in here. Then we can also adjust the tile texture. Okay, just like this. So this is for the bathroom. Okay, then now we can adjust. You can click this line, select move, and move to the left around 1 meter. Sorry, so we have to adjust about the position of this door. Okay, then we can adjust for the floor trim with using metals. Okay, now we can draw the waterfall. Okay, this is for the little. We can set the height around 750. Now we can draw about the waterfall. Okay, this is just for the basic, and this is about the toilet. Now we can draw the toilet over there. Okay, and we can draw the mirror in here. We can select the glazing about the mirror. Okay, so this is about the shower cabin. Now we can draw the rectangle in here for the deck for this loft bed, so we can adjust about the materials over there. Okay, thanks for watching, and maybe we can add more terrace in here. We can add more terrace to be a variation. We can also assign about the tiling. Okay, we can set about the saturation, and we can also setting about the dark materials over there. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. Maybe we can add more elements. We can add the canopy in here like this, and we can add the little canopy over there. Okay, so this is about the simple canopy, so you can explore more about this. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.